Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be all about Christmas. Now I have a question for you. Have you decided what are you gonna gift your loved ones this Christmas? Let me talk about a reusable and sustainable Christmas gift option. Before we get started, I want you guys to know that I'm super happy to be partnering with VUCA for this video. VUCA period pants are the perfect self-care sustainable gift idea for your loved ones, and you will guarantee to use them every month for at least 2 years. So now you'll ask me, Shanu, what's period pants? So VUCA period pants are underwear that fully absorbs your period and doesn't let it leak. Honestly, I really love the material, and also it's very breathable. They also sell everyday underwear, comfortable bralette, and a wrap around hot water bottle. And the best part is all their pants come with a silk bag and a ribbon, making it a perfect present for your loved ones. So now let's get started with decorating Christmas tree with me. I am thinking of using this space, and I am planning to, put up the tree here. What do you think? I mean, we have got lights here, so it might look pretty, and also we have this painting here, and the tree would come, I think, till here. I hope it looks nice. So if you remember, here's Ezra. Say hi to Ezra in the comment section. Ezra is growing very fast and looks so pretty. And yes, Ezra is gonna have a company here. That is, my Christmas tree would be right here near Ezra. Okay, so this is our storeroom, and look at this. I mean, the amount of luggage we have is insane. But yes, I need to get my Christmas tree out of this. Oh my god. So yes, let me just search for my Christmas tree.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Honestly guys, if you ask me, I'm not a big fan of using real tree every year. So what I do is reuse my old tree. I got this off Amazon. Look at how pretty it is, and the quality is great. It's been 4 years since I've been using it, and I think this is gonna last for several more years to come.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling.
Look at my Christmas jumper. It says sleigh.
The
What?
storm is on its way, but as long as you're...
So this is actually a vacuum bag in which I have stored all the baubles. So last year what I did was I kept all the baubles in this vacuum bag, and then using a vacuum cleaner I sucked off all the air from this bag so that it doesn't use that much of space. But you have to do it very carefully, otherwise the baubles might get broken.
I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week.
Now it's time to put on this star on the tree. I'm gonna do it with Sit.
Let's do it.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July,
I hope you guys enjoyed Christmas decoration with me, and in case you're wondering about my festive nails, I did this at home. I'll show you guys how I did it. So Madam Glam has kindly gifted me this nail paint box. It has got all the gel nail colors starting from base coat, all the colors like white, pink and glitters. So I just applied the base coat and used the glitter nail polish, and then used the LED lamp to dry it up, and yes, it turned out really well. Now I'm off to Crystal Palace Park. Like always, I love to tell you guys things that you can do here in London during Christmas, and yes, it's something related to Christmas but also related to beautiful lights. Let's go. Hi guys, so it's so chilly today. So where are we off to? So Sid and I, we are going to a very amazing festival. It's Light Festival and it's called Lightopia. So there's gonna be really beautiful illuminations that I'm gonna show you guys. It's like a must visit festival during this festive time of the year. So Lightopia is an award-winning light festival. Yes, there's gonna be loads of light installations and there's a trail throughout the park, so we need to follow the trail and see all the beautiful lights. It costs around £20 per person, that's the starting price, but it's worth it. You can jump on here and listen to the music. So much fun.
I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio.
Sunset Tulip Garden. Yes, beautiful lighted tulips.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah.
So that was it guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching it. Bye for now.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.